As a homeowner in Meridian, you know how important it is to keep your home in excellent condition. While many home improvements focus on cosmetic updates or interior design, replacing your windows is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Whether you're considering replacing old, drafty windows or simply upgrading your home's energy efficiency, new windows can bring a variety of benefits. In this article, we'll explore the top reasons why replacing your windows in Meridian is a smart investment for your home. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant reasons to replace your windows is to improve your home's energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane models, often allow heat to escape during the winter and let it enter during the summer. This causes your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient ones, you can drastically reduce energy loss. Modern windows, such as double or triple pane windows, are filled with gas like argon or krypton, which acts as an insulating barrier to prevent heat transfer. Additionally, low emissivity glass coatings reflect heat back into your home in the winter and block it out in the summer, keeping your home comfortable year-round without putting extra strain on your HVAC system. Over time, this can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. Increased comfort. Old windows can lead to temperature fluctuations inside your home. Drafty windows let cold air in during the winter and let cool air escape during the summer. This creates hot or cold spots in different areas of your home, making it difficult to maintain a consistent temperature. Replacing your windows with high-quality, energy-efficient models can significantly improve your home's comfort. With new windows, you'll have better insulation and airtight seals, which help maintain a comfortable and even temperature throughout your home. This is especially important in Meridian, where the temperature can swing between hot summers and cold winters. By eliminating drafts and improving your home's insulation, new windows ensure you can enjoy a more consistent indoor climate. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Your windows are one of the most visible features of your home. Over time, old or damaged windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and make your house look outdated. Whether your windows are cracked, warped, or simply showing signs of wear and tear, replacing them can immediately boost the appearance of your home. New windows not only enhance your home's aesthetic appeal but can also increase its overall value. If you're thinking of selling your home in the future, potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home with modern, energy-efficient windows. Additionally, new windows can make your home more attractive to buyers by reducing the need for future repairs and offering energy savings. Investing in replacement windows is one of the smartest ways to improve your home's value while also enhancing its look. Better noise insulation. Meridian is a growing city, and if your home is near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, you might find it difficult to enjoy a quiet, peaceful environment. Old windows can allow noise from outside to seep into your home, disrupting your comfort and relaxation. Replacing your windows with newer, double or triple pane models can significantly reduce the amount of outside noise entering your home. These windows have insulating properties that not only block heat and cold but also help reduce noise transmission. Whether you live near a busy road, a school, or an area with lots of outdoor activity, new windows can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Enhanced security. Older windows can present security risks for your home. Worn-out frames, broken locks, and damaged glass can make it easier for intruders to break in. New windows, on the other hand, are designed with improved security features such as stronger frames, better locks, and laminated or tempered glass that's harder to break. By replacing your windows, you're investing in the safety of your home and family. With modern windows, you'll have the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is better protected from break-ins and weather damage. Reduced maintenance and repairs. Old windows often require more maintenance and repairs than new ones. Drafty windows might need constant recaulking, while older wooden frames may need repainting to protect against rot. These maintenance tasks can be time-consuming and expensive, especially if you have many windows to repair or replace. By upgrading to new windows, you can reduce the amount of time and money spent on maintenance. New windows are designed to be low maintenance, especially if you opt for materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which don't require painting or sealing. With durable, weather-resistant frames and energy-efficient glass, your new windows will provide long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep, saving you both time and money. Better UV protection. The sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork over time, leading to fading and deterioration. Many modern windows come with built-in UV protection, such as low-E coatings, that block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter your home. By replacing your windows, you'll protect your interior furnishings from UV damage, helping to preserve their color and integrity for longer. This is particularly important in sunny areas like Meridian, where prolonged exposure to UV rays can lead to premature wear and fading of your home's interior. Conclusion. Replacing the windows in your Meridian home is one of the best investments you can make for both the comfort and value of your property. From improving energy efficiency and comfort to boosting curb appeal and security, new windows offer numerous benefits that make your home more enjoyable and cost-effective. If you're dealing with drafty, outdated windows, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient models is a smart way to improve your living space and make a lasting impact on your home's overall performance and aesthetic appeal.